Hi, I'm Saanvi. I'm an incoming freshman at the Bishop School, and my project is the walking cane for the visually impaired. For this part of my milestone, all I did was add it into the cane, into a box so that it can actually work. And it's not just a bunch of wires sitting around. For this, I had to look at rewiring everything and making it look much more organized. And attaching it to the cane was a little bit harder because the wires in the box, there were no spaces for my wires to go through. So I ended up having to actually take a couple of screws out and put wires through where the screws would go. So putting the wires out of the box was a bit of a challenge for me. The only thing I did do for this sort of milestone was actually attach it to the cane, like I said before. This is my walking stick now. As you can see at the bottom, there's a water sensor, which we previously showed it worked. Here are the sensors, it's back in, goes in like that. Then down here, there's all these wires. We have my ultrasonic sensor, but then inside we have obviously my Arduino, the breadboard, the vibrating motor, and the speaker somewhere, but it's in there. But yeah, this is just sort of it. I have not turned on power right now since in my house there's a lot of objects everywhere, but as shown from my previous videos, it does work. So this is sort of my demo of it. For my next challenges for this project, I plan on actually taking it to the San Diego Blind Community Center so that they can give their opinion on it and tell me what I need to do to improve it. I also do have a temperature sensor remaining, and I would also like to add that onto my project because it can help blind people determine between the sidewalk and the road, because the road is much hotter than the sidewalk. But those are my things that I would like to do next. I have learned a lot coming into Bluestamp. All of my knowledge of engineering was mainly just software based. I had never done anything hands-on with all these wires and circuits and resistors, so learning all of that was such a challenge for me, but I'm really, really thankful and grateful that I learned all of this new knowledge at Bluestamp. And learning how to use an Arduino, learning all these sensors, everything is completely new to me, and I found out that I really, really enjoyed it.